Get ready for the money shot.
Money shot.
What we do here is go back.
Hey kid! What you think you're doing? For what? Take care of your business. That's all we go. Good boy. Greetings and salutations, my friends. I am your neighborhood content cop. This is the school edition, and today we will be talking about drugs. My favorite. So here we have our panel of drugs. Well, no, not drugs. Inhalants. So these inhalants, as you can see, I'm pretty sure you have, some water in the house, some glue, some, glue sticks, some hairspray. I'm pretty sure these are all household items. With the Sharpies, these actually have the nickname. They're called Poor Man's Pot. They're called Poor Man's Pot. And, why are they called Poor Man's Pot, you might ask? Well, they're for poor people. Because you know how pretty much everyone owns a marker, and you can get high off markers apparently, you don't know how. So it's for poor people. Then glue, I don't know what it's called, I believe it's actually called Texas Shoe Shine, and what's the secret called? It's like white paint. So then you also have your hairspray. And this is just to showcase how a lot of these sprays, they are actually indeed drugs. They're a beautiful tool. It's sad that they're being used for drugs, because you could do stuff like this. I'm glad my sunglasses won't be in my eyes. Oh Jesus Christ!
We can't put that.
Yep, can.
Why?
Just spraying it.
Oh.
Alright, that's good. Alright, let's continue.
Okay, hold on. Let's watch that. That was good. I think.
Do you want to go outside and do the what we do here is go back thing?
Okay. Yeah. Let's go.
Now, we all know addiction isn't a very good thing. It's actually quite a bad thing, really. I don't like it, and being addicted is not very good. But one way to solve addiction is, well, getting help. Because the most influential people in your life are always your family and your friends. And if your friends tell you to stop, and they're like, dude, you're not cool, and it doesn't help you, then I'm pretty sure you're gonna stop. But you really want to stop, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to die. Unless you want to die, then I don't care. Go ahead and die. Yeah. So, that's one way. And then another way is to maybe tell police about it and go to jail. And, I'll come arrest you, and you can just stay in there away from your inhalants. Because Texas is one of the 38 states where it is illegal to have inhalants. Another one, and another one. Oh. So yeah. Hi, my name's Little Joey, and I was an addict for far too long. A total of 4 years. I started when I was 8, and the first time I sniffed a Sharpie. It was not good. It felt good, it smelled good, but it was not good for me. Then, I went to Joanne's Rehab Center, and I got the right diet, restrictions, and help I needed. And altogether, look how good I turned out now! Oh yeah! That's so good! Alright guys, so today I found the student in Imagine who's actually been doing the drugs, okay? And he thinks he's got... Alex Johnson! I am the content cop of Imagine Academy.
I'm sorry.
Why have you been doing inhalant drugs?
Dude, I'm just drawing on my face. See? It's not
What do you think I am, retard? Come here.
You are under arrest. You're so funny. Oh, hey, boy, you're under arrest.
Oh, my little flipper! Oh!
Did you get it?
Of the content! Come on. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can see why there needs to be a content cop in school. And why I should be in every single place at all times. Because kids, they don't understand how bad drugs are really are just really bad, how bad they are for you. You know, you'll die. That's not good. No one likes to die. You'll get lung infections. Like I said, it's pretty much cancer and alcohol in one. Beautiful. Alex, kill yourself. And, you know, thank you.
Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Nowadays on cruise control. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. And just like that, I'm on a roll. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Peanut butter chocolate flavor. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. In the AM, it's the flavor I savor. Peanut butter and chocolate too. You know how I do, that's what I wake up to. My Reese's Puffs inspired this rhyme. That peanut butter chocolate combination's on time. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Nowadays on cruise control. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. And just like that, I'm on a roll. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Peanut butter chocolate flavor. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. In the AM, it's the flavor I savor. Peanut butter and chocolate too. You know how I do, that's what I wake up to. My Reese's Puffs inspired this rhyme. That peanut butter chocolate combination's on time. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up.